We're here to spend my birthday in Taj Madikeri. Absolutely stunning property, and I know nobody does luxury or locations better than Taj, but this one is spread across 180 acres of forest cover and has only 33 acres of rooms or cottages as establishments, which I absolutely love about this place. And it's inside a forest. It's on a hill, so you can expect to trek up and down, do a lot of walking. Make sure you're comfortable with that, otherwise they have like very cute buggies. We are here at the peak of summer towards April end, and unbelievable how this place is almost 8 to 10 degrees cooler than Bangalore. They have a lot of activities here. You have two pools, one outdoor pool and one temperature controlled indoor pool. Apart from that, they have yoga every day in the morning. They have a pottery studio, a conservatory, and an activity center. So you can really pick and choose. I'm going to start by just walking around. We are headed towards the outdoor pool right now. Guess what? No surprises. I got lost. I think... Oh, I found it. Finally. See you in a bit. If you know me or if you have been following my videos, I'm not making a lot of them, but in my initial videos I mentioned that I'm not a fan of luxurious stays or in general 5-star stays in India. Point number one, I find them very expensive and not really worth the experience that I'm getting out of it. Everything seems super curated, and I am more inclined towards having a natural experience where it's kind of raw in nature and you are genuinely in awe of something that very few people have seen, rather than something that gets you access if you're willing to spend like 30-35k per night. So that's my thought. But once in a while, if you feel like you want to try something new and you're okay to spend a little, I think nobody does luxury as good as Taj. And I haven't been to a lot of them. I think this is my first stay in Taj, which is Taj Madikeri. I'm liking it so far. I've been trying to reach the pool. I've already walked 1 kilometer and I'm just enjoying the good weather. I mean, I can't believe it's end of April. So definitely, I think if you're planning a visit here, most people plan it during the monsoon because I'm sure it looks beautiful then. And I was a little worried that April being a very dry month, there might be not as much greenery here, or it'll be very hot and that whole essence of having a weekend getaway in a cooler place is gone. But that's not at all true. I stand corrected. I will show you the amount of greenery this place has. Just look at this, right? Were you expecting this in April? Not me.
Saturday. Full chances I might fall recording this. Okay. Nice bag. Good morning. It's 8:35 and it is so peaceful here. And this infinity pool has to be the best thing, and I think the USP of this property. There's this unbelievable view from this pool. Sometimes I do wish if I could live life this way rather than rushing to the metro station. Mornings are supposed to be like this, right? Just the right amount of sun. Still pretty cool. It's almost 9:15 a.m. Good respite from Bangalore heat right now.